Hey guys, so here's a variation of a childhood fan. We talked about how the Whisperfan 3 was a childhood fan of mine, and I believe this is a later version of the Whisperfan 3. It's variable speed, 6 blade, but it's got the fall socket canopy. Otherwise, is more or less the same. This one's got a rubber flywheel, and the flywheel is badly warped. That is something that can be repaired. So, we will, if we ever hang this anywhere, we will figure out. We can probably repair the flywheel rather than replacing it. But for the purposes of this video, it's just going to be badly warped. So, anything you want to say about it, Melby?
Not really, but other than the fact that I definitely want to repair that. I mean,
Sure.
It was definitely a surprise to learn that. So
You want to learn how to repair a warped flywheel?
sure,
Well,
yeah,
if you want to take this with, I can walk you through it. It's entirely up to you. I'm not gonna have a chance to do it anytime soon, but
okay.
if you do, I can walk you through it. It's not hard. You just have to. So have you ever changed a flywheel before?
No.
You've removed the switch housing from fans before? So you
Yes.
just make careful note of where all the wires go,
Okay.
and disconnect everything and remove this, unthread the switch housing, and then the flywheel comes off with just an Allen key.
Oh yeah. Okay.
And then, like I said, the actual way to repair the warped flywheel is, in this case, it's a 6 blade flywheel. I'd probably get 6 skinny drywall screws and like go every other with the screw holes, and then just bolt it down to a board and leave it there for like a week.
Okay.
And sometimes I even spray it with Armor All or WD-40 to soften up the rubber. But let's do the video.
All right. So we got very little amps, almost no amps, with an LED bulb in there, and it's 3/4 power factor and 2.5 watts. All right. And this is one of them sequence pull chains. It's on light only, fan, nothing, fan only. So it's like a Casablanca.
Yep, they were really kind of jacking Casablanca for a lot of their stuff. I mean, a lot of companies did. And for all I know, Casablanca got that from somewhere. I'm not sure where, but I mean, they jacked Emerson for their early functional fans, and they jacked Antiques for their design. So, can't be too, there's nothing new under the sun.
Yep.
But Homestead would actually buy Casablanca parts and use them. So,
Oh, yeah, that I did know. 0.2 amps is what I have it set at. I adjusted the low trim. It's a variable speed, so I adjusted the low trim on it. So it's, get it to at least have a low speed. So 0.2 amps, 8 watts, and just over a 1/4 power factor. Let's start inching it up.
So far, silent with the variable speed. Little bit of hum, not a lot, but a little bit.
Oh yeah, it's like very quiet. Yeah, not enough to really notice it. And it's drawing 1/2 amp.
Is that high?
Yeah. Bypassed. Yep, that's high. It's flying.
Okay.
But it's not drawing that much current. 60 watts and a power factor of 1. So 1/2 amp with a power factor of 1.
Interesting.
Yeah.
I believe this uses an Emerson motor, but they might have dropped the capacitor value for the lower speed.
Okay. And I know what the airflow is with this.
They're solid.
Yep, K55. So we go right to spin down.
Here, look at these while it's spinning down. How much are these worth to you?
Oh.
They got this.
Ooh.
And then they have the smaller version with the light on the bottom.
Oh, nice. I think I've seen these.
Yeah,
and I can't remember where is this.
Somewhere in the middle of nowhere, but I could probably...
Cleveland, Tennessee.
Yeah.
Ooh.
I mean, they want $50 a piece. Is it worth that much to you, do you think? Because then there'd be the cost of packing and shipping.
Yeah, that would really jack up everything.
It would. It would be $50 a piece plus probably $50 packing and probably at least $50 shipping.
Yeah.
It's probably not worth that much to me, but if it is to you, you know.
I don't know.
I'll think about it.
Even though I love those fans, those are really.
If they were four-bladers or something less common, I would
really go after them.
Yeah, I'd be willing to pay that, but you know.
Okay, so I'm gonna go again and do reverse. Time for reverse.
We have a brown four-blader like that, don't we?
Yes.
It needs new bearings.
Yes, it does. That's one of my projects.
Yeah. If the bearings didn't get any better after sitting with oil for a while.
No. Once they get pebbly,
Yeah.
You just can't. You can't quiet that once it's. All right. Drawing the same current. Very little hum, but nothing material.
Yep.
Okay. So pretty much the same 0.51 on reverse, but
flywheel is getting a little better as we run it.
Sure.
But it's still far from good.
Yeah.
I'm sure it would wobble like crazy on a shorter down rod. Normally, the longer the down rod, the less likely something is to wobble.
Ah, I thought of it that way.
Well, think of it like a clock pendulum.
Oh yeah.
So if you've got a clock pendulum and the pendulum is really short, it's going to move a lot, right? But if the pendulum is really long, the movements are going to be.
Oh yeah, that I do know. I have a clock like that.
Yeah.
A wind up. Okay, for decade box.
You want to take bets?
I'm gonna think it's gonna start on 2.
Okay, I was gonna say 2, but I will say 3 then.
All right.
Because I don't think it's gonna start on 1, but I could be wrong.
All right. Well, here we go. 1, 2.
Yep.
Ah, lucky guess.
You win this round.
Ah. 3, 4, 5, all right. A little fast for low on 5.
I agree. 4 probably was good. 3 might have even been usable.
Right. 4 would have been perfect. 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Stewie and the hamster ball.
Oh, I was thinking of Sesame Street.
Well, Family Guy did that.
Oh.
With Stewie and the clear ball going through that exact.
To the pinball machine.
Yeah, Stewie was going through. You wouldn't believe my day. He's going through the whole thing. Just like 9. Here's 9. 10. 12. 13. 14. 15.
Somebody's gonna want this. Hold on, let me. So look what they have at this garage sale.
Oh, what is?
That's a whole bunch of new in-box Casablancas.
Oh.
There's some Casablanca parts.
Yeah.
Original. Oh, a lot of originals.
Oh, where's that?
I don't know. I'm gonna
16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, I'm still under. 21.
What the hell are those?
22.
Hold on, I'm gonna have to enlarge that picture.
23.
Oh.
4. Not really drawing much more current now. I'm at. It's like kind of leveled off.
Yeah.
I'm at 30 and I'm still under. Let's see, 31. Yeah, I'm at 4.9. Okay, I just reached 0.5 right on. Max out. I maxed out at 40 and I'm still right at level with high, so it just stops drawing more current, so no resonant frequency.
Okay. What's next?
Oh yeah. We did solid state already, so I'm gonna do 0 to high with this.
That's all we got left, huh?
Yeah. All right, let's see the inrush. Very little.
I wouldn't think there'd be much.
There wasn't.
Okay. Well, that's it for this one.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.
All right.